Again.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Know my ABCs. Next I want your favorite me.
My name is... Wala siyang... Ano ka pa sa kanila? Hindi, pwede sa drive. Hindi, ano yun? Nataas yun. Natawa lang. Ano po yan?
Oh,
Magkano po mali mo? How much po yan? Can you count?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
How many?
Yes.
What are you going to buy?
Stick off.
How many stick off?
2,
2 pesos isang stick off. How many yan?
1, 2.
Okay?
Apo.
Two?
Yeah.
Ano ba yung money mo?
Dito, saan? Dito.
Saan sa tindahan din?
Thank you.
Nasaan bayad mo?
Dito.
Kulang! 4 pesos!
Ako
Nasaan na yan? 4 pesos ba yan? Okay. Okay, what are you saying?
This is my right hand. I touch the sky. This is my left hand. I raise it up high. Right hand, left hand, rolling around. Right hand, left hand, palm, palm, palm.
Galing! Good job! High five! Sino nagsabi nun?
Si teacher.
Si teacher?
Teacher Chrissy.
Step on the pedal!